Now let's record the number 2. So let's say we start out with 2. So we have 2 stars. And we want to add another 1. So we want to bring in another 1 star. So there's 1 star. So we started with 2 and we have another 1 star. How many stars do we have now? We have 1, 2, 3 stars. So we can say 2 plus 1 is 3. Now let's say we had 2 stars to begin with, and we brought in another 2 stars. So we started with 2 stars, and then we added to that another 2 stars. How many do we have now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Now let's try starting with 2 stars, and we bring in another 3 stars. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So we started with 2 stars, and then we added 3 stars. How many stars do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 stars plus 3 stars is 5 stars. Let's keep going. What do we get if we take 2 stars and add them to another 4 stars? 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. So we have 2 plus 4. How many stars do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now let's add 2 to 5 stars. So if we have 2 to begin with, and then we have another 5 stars, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 2 stars plus 5 stars. How many stars do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5 equals 7. Now let's add 2 stars to 6 stars. So we start with 2, and we bring in another 6 stars. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 2 stars, and we add them to another 6 stars. How many do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 stars, and we got them by adding 2 to 6. So 2 plus 6 equals 8. Now let's try adding 2 stars to 7. So we start with 2 stars, and we add another 7 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 2 stars, and we add it to 7 stars. How many stars do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 plus 7 is 9. Now let's take 2 stars and add them to 8. So 2, and we are adding 8 more stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 stars plus 8 stars. Let's count how many these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. Now let's try adding 2 stars to 9 stars. So let's count out 2 stars here. And now let's add another 9 stars. So we count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we started with 2 stars and we added another 9 stars. How many stars do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 2 plus 9 equals 11. And the last one, let's take 2 stars and add them to 10 stars. Let's count the 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we took 2 stars and added them to 10 stars. Now let's count those up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 stars, when added to 10 stars, gives us 12 stars. So let's look at what we learned. We've learned that 2 plus 1 gives us 3. 2 plus 2 gives us 4. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. 2 plus 4 gives us 6. 2 plus 5 gives us 7. 2 plus 6 gives us 8. 2 plus 7 gives us 9. 2 plus 8 gives us 10. 2 plus 9 gives us 11. And 2 plus 10 gives us 12. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 7 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10. 2 plus 9 is 11. 2 plus 10 is 12. Once more, 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 7 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10. 2 plus 9 is 11. 2 plus 10 is 12. And that's how you add the number 2